This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to this next episode of Mini Lock Monday. I have a wheel with 6 locks left on it. They're all 40 millimeters or smaller. I'll be spinning the wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So let's get to spinning the wheel. Looks like it's going to be number 8, Master Lock Brass Model number 140 Medium Shackle. Let's get to picking. All right, let's take a look at this Master Lock 140 brass. There's the bitting, real friendly bitting. And let's see what we can do here. Back. Here we go. Opened. All right. That's the Master Lock 140 brass padlock. Stay tuned next Monday for the next lock the wheel chooses. And thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thank you for watching.